How to connect Instagram to Facebook page. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to connect Instagram to Facebook page. So then, to begin with, first thing first, open up your Instagram account, and once you open up your account, go ahead and tap the profile icon. While you're on this page, click the edit profile button. After that, go ahead and tap on switch to professional account. Once you do that, go ahead and tap the continue button. Keep on tapping on continue. Select what best describes you. After that, click the done button, and next page is gonna ask you to select whether it's a creator's account or business account. So select it accordingly, tap the next button, and make sure to go through the category, and if you're sure about it, then tap the next button. So once you've created the professional account, from the professional dashboard, tap the button right at the bottom, and while you're on this page, click the gear icon from the top right. After that, it's going to show you all sort of information, so go ahead and tap on see more in account center. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on connect experiences. So once you tap on see more in account center, go ahead and tap on connect experiences. Once you do that, you'll need to go ahead and tap on login with another account, and once you have done that, you'll need to go ahead and choose account that you can log into others, and after that, you need to go ahead and select particular Facebook page that you wish to connect it to your Instagram. Once you do that, there will be some sort of information or a statement. All you have to do is go through it, and then you've successfully connected Instagram to Facebook page. So that's basically how you can connect Instagram to Facebook page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.